I think this is Ember's first little fishy. Good job. Say let's ride. We're on a safari.
I look like I went swimming. I'm soaking wet. Good morning, MTM fam. Welcome to the vlog today. We are about to go on a razor ride. We got everybody loaded up. We got
go get dirty.
Dad, we got Jay, we got the girls, we got all the people on all the things. We're gonna go get dirty. By the way, you might recognize some of our friends here. We got Ender, we got Beck. We are here. I'll give you one. We're here with the Orgills and the Pages for a day of adventures in the mountains. You ready, Jay?
You ready to ride?
You ready to ride?
Say let's ride. Yay! Put your arms in the air. Woo! We're on a safari.
Ready? It's like a roller coaster ride.
Arms up, girls. Arms up.
Woo! Getting muddy already.
Oh no. Oh no.
Going through a mud puddle.
We made it.
We had to take a detour because we are at the most beautiful location ever. Look at this. Look at all the flowers. Oh my goodness. I gotta come over this overlook and see what we're looking at. Jay, what do you have? He found a flower. Oh, such a pretty flower, huh? So we just finished our little scenic view spot, and this is the outlook, and now we're gonna continue on with the drive. Oh, this is a tough spot. You got it, D?
Yeah, we bottomed out so bad back there. Oh! We don't exactly want to lose the transmission in the middle of nowhere. That might be bad. Here we go. We're almost there. We're good. We're good. Oh, we need to pull to the middle of it. There we go.
That was the rockiest part we've done so far, for sure. Yeah, I don't know if you can even tell in the video, like filming.
Camera doesn't do it justice.
But that part was pretty bumpy.
This is a trail we recommend.
Okay, so we're on our ride, and supposedly we found a natural spring. So we are going to fill up this water bottle with the fresh mountain water. Bodie's just going for it.
I want some.
Whoa. Does it taste nice and fresh, Bodes? Does it taste good? Gabrielle, your turn.
My turn. What? I want some. That's good water.
More water. Oh, oh, oh.
And we're in. Yeah.
Water got in.
Clap your hands and you'll feel stronger. Tomorrow you get another chance.
We're back at the cabin. We've just been playing games and hanging out. Look at what these boys are doing. We gotta... What's happening over here? They're playing a little baby Jenga, which basically means you pick up all the blocks and put them in the car. Oh, you did it! You stacked them up. And Ember has been riding on the four-wheeler with Priya. Look at Ember, she has her helmet on. Oh, it fits you so good. Do your cheeks feel squished in there? And the girls are learning TikTok dances. TikTok dances. Here we go. We're gonna get a behind the scenes shot right now. Here we go.
Keep going in. I think this is Ember's first little fishy. You caught a fish. Okay, that's good. Stop, stop, stop. And I'll take it off and put it back out. Good job. You did it. It's okay. We'll just put him back in. Put him back in the water.
Can I hold it for a minute?
Sure. And then go put him in the water.
He feels so gooey.
Yeah, he does, huh? Go put him back in the water.
First time.
Put him in the water. Oh, he'll swim
I
away.
caught a fish.
See you, bud. Bye. Let's let some line out. Okay, back up. Back up. All right, we're done fishing for the day. Catch and release, that's my style. And then Bodie, he wants to show me something on his dirt bike here. Let's take a look. This is awesome. He's having so much fun. Show me, let's see it. Go do it. Boom! Oh man, this, my friends, is heaven. If I owned a property like this, I'm a happy person anyway, but I would definitely be a happy camper. This is incredible. These are our friends, Jordan and Bubba Page. As you guys know, the Orioles are up here as well. This has just been so much fun, so peaceful, so nice to get away from it all. Bodie's, I might have got it, I'm not sure. You're doing great, bud, love you.
I just got my biggest hair.
Did you?
I'll get the same amount of it.
Okay, let's see it, and then we gotta go get dinner. It's time for dinner. Nice. Okay, we had dinner, our fishing, dinner, dirt bikes, and now we're trying to hurry and squeeze into fire as fast as we can. We're making some s'mores real quick. Everybody huddle up, stay close, stay warm, because this is coming. It's moving in.
Dad, I'm
Cute little Evie. Yeah, you were flying. Here, let's make you a s'more. Okay, let's go in the house. Hurry, it's raining. Hurry, Jay. Run, Jay, hurry, faster. That's not very fast. He's not afraid of a little rain, I guess. Hurry. Jay's inside. I'll go get the rest of the stuff.
This is it.
Okay, I'm gonna help Bubba.
Okay, we're inside from the fire / rainstorm. We're so soaked. Look at Jay's hair. I look like I went swimming. I'm soaking wet, so we're gonna go give everyone a bath now. Okay, we're running up to our room. We're gonna have to be in the rain again to go get the kids all bathed. But it is pretty, even in the rain. Look, those pretty lilacs. Ooh, is it raining? Oh, it's so pretty. It's rain. I know, it's beautiful. That's what I was just saying. It's worth the rain for the beautiful. Do you guys think that, like, after it rains, the colors look even more saturated and pretty? I love the rain because of that. Okay, April's got Frankie. We gotta stay dry. Can't get the babies wet. Okay, and we're back. We're all bathed. We got clean kids with brushed out hair, smelling all fresh, but it is still raining and I'm still getting wet, so. Oh, you're being so silly. Well, the kids are in bed and we've just been playing games with the grown-ups, which is the funnest part about hanging out. And, oh, it's dark, look it. It's so dark. You know, like in the mountains when, you know, when you're not around things and it's dark and it's like really dark. Look out there. You can't see anything because it's nighttime. We're going up here. Our room is on the 2nd floor. This, well, actually kind of has like 3 floors. It has like the basement, then the main area, and then the upstairs is kind of where some of the rooms are. So our room's down here. Here's the kids' room. Numero 15. And here's ours. Number 16, and Jay's asleep inside there, so we better be quiet and end the vlog here. All right, so thanks for hanging out with us today. We've loved our day up in the mountains. There's nothing better than going up. It's a really good recharge and reset. So, are you frozen yet?
It's so cold up here, but it's good.
It's freezing. It actually, like, the temperature was like 95 yesterday, and tomorrow it's supposed to be like 55, so that's Utah for you, bipolar weather, that's for sure. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog because I'm about to start shaking. See you guys, bye.